Hey everybody, this is Robot here from Scooter West in California, USA. SIP has moved to a new building in March of 2016. I've been very anxious to check out their operations. Let's go inside and check it out. I've always known that SIP has been pretty impressive and has grown quite a bit over the last years. About, I think it was 3 years ago when they moved to the new location, I had some customers come by and show me photos of the warehouse operation. Oh, that's pretty impressive.
What you see here is the office, split between a purchase department. We're in touch with our, I don't know, more than probably 400 suppliers. And the R&D department, which is doing all the research and development for, I think, approximately 2,000 SIP branded
exclusive
items
items
that we have. Exactly.
So if you have a GTS 300 and you're looking for something other than the dated looking 5-spoke rim, we have the SIP exclusive wheel in both black and also black with a polished aluminum edge. In the United States, anything after 2015, they have this tremendously ugly chrome trim that goes around the speedometer. We have available both in gloss black and flat black, a replacement trim. This has been a long time seller. We've been selling these as long as SIP has been making them. If you're wondering what it is, it's a hammer. No, it's not. It's a foot peg extender for your 300 GTS.
So what we got here right now is wholesale, basically sales department, split between wholesale and end customers.
So, for example, this is our new SIP speedometer rev counter. It's this version is for Primavera and Sprint scooters from 50 to 150 cc.
2-3 seconds. Indigo, purple. I think it's white.
It's white, right?
Red, orange. That's my favorite color there. Very cool. I like that. I like techie features.
All right, Jeff, so it was really nice to have you here as our guest after a long-term business relationship. I think it's like more than 20 years, and looking forward to lots of future business.
Absolutely.
And obviously watch that guy on his awesome YouTube tutorial, Vespa Motorsport at YouTube.
On YouTube, or you can watch SIP Scootershop for lots of fun Vespa-related videos. Took me a second, like,
what's he doing?